What's up, guys? It is a brand new day and I got some exciting news for you guys. Your boy figured out how to freaking fix the Romatlink ugly ass step through e-bike. If you guys recall, my first review of the bike, I wasn't able to actually do anything with it because the battery wouldn't take a full charge. I reached out to the company. Guess what, guys? It was an easy freaking fix. All I had to do was open up this freaking cover right here. Take that off. There's an actual battery inside. And all I had to do was connect one freaking wire. Oh my freaking God. This bike has been down for a couple weeks now and we finally get to take it out. So we're gonna put it on a couple of tests. First test is gonna be an off-road test. See you guys out on the road. All right, here we go. Woo. Let's see if this is a real off-road vehicle. All right, guys, we are on the, what is this bike called? What the? All right, guys, we are on the Romatlink Dolphin. About to do this off-road test. Oh, shoot. Woo, take it easy, Dave. One thing I'm already noticing is that this bike has tiny pedals and they're foldable, so I definitely wouldn't stand up. You will probably eat shit. Here we go, first test. Oh, yeah, we already did this test, didn't we? I remember this bike bottoming out. Here we go, boom, boom, bottom out, boom, yep. I remember this. So yeah, this bike has triple suspension, one in the front, two in the back. It has a suspension seat post, that's what gives it the 3. But that front suspension is trash. Horrible, guys. It's definitely gonna bottom out on you, but the rear suspension is actually pretty decent. Like, I actually can't feel any of the bumps at all. Speed-wise, we're going 23 miles per hour, throttle only. That's a good sign. Here we go. Woo, watch out for the dog shit or coyote shit. I'm loving the power on this bike so far. Let's go ahead and pedal. Picking up speed. Oh my God, almost bounced over the freaking front. Ugh. This suspension seat post is like a pogo stick. Here we go. The leg is out. Woo! We are ripping through this track. Oh my goodness. Dave, take it easy. Oh yeah, this bike has some power. You guys know I love that. I wish it had BMX handlebars. That would give us way more handling. This long giraffe neck stem is not doing it for me. If you guys do own this bike has a quill. So you're gonna need a quill stem adapter if you're switching to BMX, just a FYI. Now we're going downhill, we should be able to go faster. Currently going 24 miles per hour. Oh my goodness, tuck Dave. Woo! Yes, what a time to be alive. Woo! Now, as long as there's not like any huge drops, the front suspension is actually decent. Like on this type of terrain, you can't feel anything. Like, dude, I am freaking floating. Ugh. But if you're trying to do like some jumps, I wouldn't recommend it. You probably break the bike. A little stretch, here we go. See how fast we can go off-road. 25, 26. Can we go 27? No, we cannot, but we're going 26 miles per hour. That's pretty fast. Oh, yes. Woo, take it easy. We're gonna go down. It should bottom out right here, if I recall. Here we go. Okay, decent. All right, guys, next test is gonna be top speed. We're gonna do a throttle only and pedal assist. See you guys out on the road. What's up, guys? We're at the designated spot about to perform this top speed run. Unfortunately, it's not gonna be GPS verified. I forgot my freaking phone at home. Anyways, you guys ready? Here we go. 3, 2, 1, go. Let's see how fast this bike is. Throttle only. Already going 13, 15 miles per hour. Oh my God, we're picking up speed fast. Already going 20 miles per hour. Let's tuck. We're going 23, 24. Okay, this bike is fast. 25 miles per hour. It's probably realistically going like 23, 24 miles per hour. That's pretty fast, guys. All right, guys, next test is gonna be pedal assist. We got it all the way up in pedal assist 5. You guys ready? Here we go. 3, 2, 1, go. Let's go ahead and crank those freaking pedals. We got it in gear 7. We're gonna leave it in gear 7. Let's pick up some speed. Already going 19, 20 miles per hour. How fast is this freaking bike? Let's see. 24, 25. Looks like 25 miles per hour is the top speed. Can we go 26? No, we cannot. That's pretty good though. I'll take it. All right, guys, we are at the designated hill climb test spot, about to perform this hill test. First one's gonna be throttle only. You guys ready? Here we go. 3, 2, 1, go. Let's see how fast this bike is uphill. This is the true test. We didn't get a chance to do it the first time. I have a feeling it should do pretty well. This bike definitely doesn't feel slow. Here we go. 20 miles per hour uphill, slowing down a little bit. We're going 18. Let's go ahead and crank this throttle, if that's even possible. 15 miles per hour, 14, 13, it's slowing down. Uh-oh, we're losing speed, 10 miles per hour. Oh no, dang, it lost a ton of speed right there. And there it is, failed the test. Now we could keep on going, but the motor would be working hard. So we're gonna turn around and go back down. Here we go. Throttle only downhill. How fast is this bike? We're tucking, we're going 27. We're going 29, oh, 30, 31. Can we go 32? No, we cannot. Looks like 31 was the top speed downhill, throttle only. Next test is gonna be pedal assist. We got it all the way up in pedal assist 5. You guys ready? Here we go. 3, 2, 1, go. Let's go ahead and crank those pedals. I'm gonna drop it to gear 5. We're gonna see how that does. Currently going 17 miles per hour. Moving like a hamster. We should get some resistance right now. Here we go, 21 miles per hour. Let's see if we can make it up this hill. Come on, I got faith in you, Romatlink. Here we go. 16 miles per hour, 15, 14. Uh-oh, it's getting a little harder. Let's drop the gear a little bit. 11, we're gonna make it up this hill. Here we go. 10, 11, there we go. Yeah, okay, so you can make it up a hill while pedaling. All right, let's go ahead and turn back down. We're gonna crank those pedals, see how fast we can go downhill. Hopefully the front wheel doesn't go out. That would suck. Here we go. 31, oh, we're flying. 33, 34, 34 miles per hour, top speed downhill. Let's go. Woo. Let's go over some of these components really fast so you can see what this bike is working with. We're gonna start at the front. This bike is rocking some 20 by 4-inch fat tires. You guys know I love to see that. It also comes with mechanical disc brakes. Nothing to get excited over. They did work pretty good. This bike is also rocking some plastic fenders front and rear, so if you guys do live in a rainy area, it will definitely protect your booty. And it also comes with a front and rear light. This bike is also rocking a front suspension post that belongs in the trash can. This is probably one of the cheapest ones I've seen. You can't even adjust it, you can't even lock it out. Romatlink, if you're going to be putting triple suspension on your bike, you might want to invest in a better front suspension, guys. Moving up, we do have a long giraffe neck stem. Check out how long it extends. Oh my goodness, that's hideous. You will notice that the handling is not the greatest with this long giraffe neck stem. Now, I did create a product. It's called the turtleneck stem. You guys can check it out on my website, davidbrandnew.com. It allows you to switch to BMX handlebars and you still keep the foldability just like the giraffe neck stem. Moving to the middle of the bike, we have the Swan step through frame. This joint is ugly. This is my least favorite design. The step through with the externally mounted battery, oh my god. Speaking of batteries though, this battery is big as hell. We are working with a 48 volt 30 amp hour battery. Moving to the rear, we do have rear suspension shocks, one on each side, so that's pretty cool. And then it does come with a rear rack that's already mounted to the bike. You cannot remove it, and it also has a rear seat where you can have a passenger ride on the back. It's a decent bike. I really like the power. I'm not a fan of the overall look. The paint job is pretty cool, but this step through frame is ugly. That battery's pretty big, so you don't have to worry about range, but it looks hideous. Look how big that thing is. Also, because the battery is so big, this bike is pretty heavy. So if you're somebody that's not that strong, you might want to consider a lighter bike. Other than that though, the bike is pretty decent. I will leave a link to it in the description down below if you guys want to check out more information about it. And that's going to do it for this review. If you guys wanted to see my first review on it, check it out, and we'll see you guys in the next video. Until then, deuces like that. Hee.